Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the list data structure. I will try to cover few important points regarding list, like how we are creating a list, how we are accessing the element inside a list. Okay, so before explaining, let me go to our Python terminal. Okay, so the basic thing is things are there. The list is nothing but it is the predefined data structure present in our Python. It's the collection of data, collection of items. So the how we are basically how we are defining a list. List is defining within a square brackets. So this is my list, and if I am printing L, so it will give me the all the collection of items present in that list. And if I want to type to check what kind of data is there, right, so we can check with the type functions and it will give here it is showing is the list type. Okay, so this is the basic way, and also you can see list can store multiple different data types also. How? Now if I want to mention one integer, it is storing, right? Same way it can store the float also, and it can store the string also. Here if I am pressing L, right, it is giving me the list, and type of L should be our list type. You can see here. So one point we are getting, list is nothing but it is a collection of different data types we are storing and we are considering as a single entities. This is the definition about the list. Okay, so next thing is how we can access a list. So list can be accessed by help of both this index and slicing, as I mentioned you earlier also in string videos. So both the concept are same. So in order to explain the list slicing, let me take you to my uh, paint so that I will explain you in better way. So here you can see, so this is my list item. It is consist of integer, both negative integer also there you can see, and positive integer also there. And I told you like it is supporting list also supporting both positive and negative indexing. And the same concept is the positive index is nothing but it will move from left to right, and the starting index is 0, and the negative index is nothing but it is moved from the right to left, and the starting index is -1. So here we have our list of items present in a list. Suppose I want to access the element 90. So if I am using index 4 from the positive index, right, it will give me the 90. And if I am going to access through negative index, then I need to use -6 as a negative index. So this is the overall things about the positive and negative index. So let again go to the Python terminal and implement it practically. So come to here. So here you can see, let me create one list. Okay, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, any random list. Okay, any random list we can use. So here you can see I have created a list. Now I want to access the element 9 by help of positive index. Positive index in the sense starting index is 0, 0, 1, 2. So if I am using L of 1, it will give me the value, sorry, L of 2, 0, 1, 2, right? So if I am using L of 2, it will give me the value 9. In same way, if I want to access the element 9 by help of negative index, so I need to use the index as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. If I am using -5, then it will give me 9. Same way if I want to access 4, right, so by help of positive index if we are going to access, then this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to give the index number as 5, it will share the give us the 4. And by help of negative index -1, -2, If you are writing -2, then it will give me the negative index. So I think up to this point we are clear about what is positive index and what is negative index and how we are accessing the element from a list. Clear? Okay, fine. And next thing is slicing. The way we implemented in string, right? If you have not watched my string videos, go and watch it. And even I'm again explaining the slicing concept in list as well. So slicing is nothing but the syntax is it will take the start index, okay, and it will take the end index and it will take the step. This is the syntax of the slicing concept. Slicing is nothing but we are just slicing few person from our main list. So this is our main list, and suppose we want to slice from the 5 to 1, we need to slice. So how we need to give the start index, we need to take 0, and end index we need to give 0 1 2 3. Suppose we want to slice up to 5 to 1, right? So the index number of 1 is 0 1 2 3. So here we need to give 4 so that it will consider up to third index. Clear? And I am mentioning the step is 1. So here if you can see it's just slicing that portion from our main list. And here same way we can access also. If I'm not mentioning the start index and I'm mentioning direct end, right, and then I am giving the step, it is also it will give us the same result. So from here we are concluding that if we are not mentioning the start index, so by default it will take 0, it will start from the 0. In main same way, if you are not mentioning the end index, so it will take length of that list, okay. And step if we are mentioning, right, so same way if we are mentioning what is the important of step, right, the third parameter is our step, right. If I am mentioning 40 starting index and I am mentioning 6 7, that means it will go up to sixth position. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will take all the parameters, okay. And I am mentioning step as a 2. In this case if I am writing, you can see 5 it is taking and then it is jumping 2 step because we are mentioned step as a 2. It's jumping 2 step and it is catching 9. Then it is jumping 2 step and it is catching 2. Then it is jumping 2 step and it is catching 9. So this is the importance of a slicing operator. And also like few or two three parameters like functions I want to explain here in this video also, that is one is append. So what is append? Append method is nothing but if we want to add one more elements in the list, so we are using the append method. Suppose I want to add 100, okay, I want to add the 100. So what it will do, it will add the 100 at the end position of the list. If I am pressing L, you can see 100, okay. So append is nothing but it is adding one element end of the list, not the starting or middle. In end of the list we are adding the 100, okay. And same way also we let me create one more two list, that is 2 3 4, this is one list, and L2 one more list which is the items are this one, okay. Now I am going to use the extend function. So extend function, what it will do, it will just if the extend function we are using in the case we are adding two lists. Suppose L1 is my one list here and L2 is one list, right. And without third variable, if we want to add all the element into L1 or L2, in that case what we are using, we are using extend function. Suppose if I'll use the extend here and I need to mention the L2, so all the elements from the L2 will be append to L1, okay, will be append to L1. You can see here L1 is 2 3 4 2 3 4. After that 5, 6, 7 are appended from the L2 list, right? So this is the two function. And also one more function is there. Suppose we have L and we want to insert one item in between. Okay, in between. So in that case we are using insert function, L dot insert. So which index we need to mention? Suppose I want to insert in second index, and what is the item? Item is 21. Okay, the element is 21. If I am typing and printing the L value, you can see 21 earlier, 5 7, 21 is not there, right? In the second index 21 is there. After that all the elements are same only. Okay, so this is the three main this is the three main important functions there. And also, like the way we are adding, right, we can remove the element also. The way you can see, this is my L, right? If you are using L dot pop, okay, so it will remove the L element and it will return it back. You can see 100 is not there, earlier it was there. Okay, pop function are used to remove the element from the last element from the list. Okay, similarly, if we want to remove, right, remove based on the index, so we can use the index also, like remove function we are using for it. And now I am mentioning one, right? You can see here we have in one position we have 7, right? But here you will not able to find the 7. So let's see. Thing is, okay, so remove is searching based on the item. You can see here. Earlier I was thinking that it is searching based on the index, but it is searching based on the items only. How it's proof? Let's use remove. Okay, remove 7. Here I am writing out, and now I am typing. The 7 is not there, earlier it was there. So remove is searching from left to right. Whenever it is finding that item, it is getting deleted. Okay, it is deleted. And to delete whole list, we can use del keyword. If now I am pressing del, right, will not able to access L because it's deleted and it's no longer present in the Python memories. So hope this is all the important functionalities I have covered in this video. Hope we are good. If we have you guys having any kind of doubt or any explanation you guys are needed, comment me so that I will try to explain. Thanks for your all the supports. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my videos, and also please press the bell icon so that if future I am going to update any new videos, the alert will comes to you. Thank you.